So guys, first method, click to type legend 5. Okay, all the legend 5 pro, and you can see legend 7 all. Okay, if it is not getting here, so you just type legend I, yes, sorry, I, copy, type driver. This is first website. Then click to camera and driver. You can see the camera driver. Then click to download. This is start downloading. Then click to setup. Then yes. Okay, I accept. Next. Next, install. So you can see this is camera driver, it is installed, and then click and then restart. Finished, and restart your system. Thank you.